It's 15 minutes after midnight, 18th of December. We are at Pura Pasar Agung Selat, and me and Luca, we are going to the top of the Agung. You will see this one tomorrow, but today is December 18 and it's my birthday, and I decided that the best way, and that's the best way for me to celebrate, is to do something active. Laura's prognosis about the weather is, as always, on a high level. We got a really good weather. There was no rain on the way up. There was no even wind. We are on the top. It's pretty cold. I don't know. We were using that small gas stove to warm up our fingers. Luca's fingers became numb. It's I don't know. It's most probably like, we were talking with Luca, and I think it's about 10 degrees here. Even on a sea level it's about 26 now, so we're really comfortable temperature, except the fact that we have more rains than usually. Today all looks like this. Pretty often all down there is clouds, and they are a little bit upper. Like today there's only low clouds, which is, I don't know, it's about, the clouds are about 1,000 meter, 1,200 meter. They start smoke coming out from the volcano. Just a minute ago there was nothing, so there is a crack on the side, and that's why there's a smoke coming out. It's always been coming out. The crater looks a little bit different, like what I saw last time when it was like a couple of months ago. Most probably it's a couple of months ago, and now it looks like ups and downs, so something we've been falling down. Maybe it's all the volcanoes around here are actually connected, so maybe it's because of that eruption which happened at only 250 or 300 kilometers away from here. Of course it's affecting also our volcano, but as always, beautiful morning. The best way how you can meet the sunrise, when we were sitting down there was like all the island was still in the lights. We were drinking coffee, and we were talking that we are like a kind, we have VIP seats for that thing. We'll spend a little bit more time here, and then we will go down. Are you happy about hike?
Oh yes, more than happy.
It was easier than last time.
Easier as I could imagine.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy to be here.
You said you are happy about yourself as well.
Yeah, amazing. I don't know. I'm not trained. I don't used to do hike,
Yeah.
and I reach the top without any effort actually. And I hope the downhill will be also so
Yeah.
so good as the way up.
It's like this time we actually did in 3 hours 15 minutes. That was really fast actually. Like I said, I never can really decide what time to start, because with some people it takes a little bit longer. I was pretty sure about Luca because we've been already hiking together and he's a strong guy, and yeah, so this time 3 hours 15 minutes, most probably that's the fastest one, because when I went alone that was 3 hours 30 minutes. I didn't rush, you know, but with Luca it's always, you know, it's like a motivator. Somewhere on the back he's just moving, and even you want to take a break, you're still moving, because my GoPro, I don't know, there's something strange going on. Last time when I was on the East Peak, it just stopped working. When I was on the summit, on the way up it was working. On the summit accidentally doesn't work. Now same story, 2 batteries. Record with one, after a couple of minutes stopped working and didn't switch on. I changed the battery, working like for 1 minute, off. I don't know what's going on. Just wondering how the fly cam got up here. Mountain fly sitting on my offering, enjoying the sweetness of the light. It's like not really trekking, but it's rock climbing already. But it's always been like that. Never been different. It's been a long day, now it's over. I'm really happy, and actually I'm pretty lucky to have all of you with all these wishes, and so many people been writing me today. And as the year is on, and I hope it will be same interesting as this one, there's nothing to really regret. I'm absolutely happy about what's been happening within the previous one. I'm super excited about the next one. Not sure I've been talking about this one already. I have to check my previous year video, but I've been talking to many old people who already been living their lives. They are 80, 90 years old, and they always say that you never change inside. You are still that, I don't know how years old you are, like 18 years, on which age you stopped, but that's what you're feeling, and it doesn't change with the years. And it makes me a little bit sometimes sad when the young people say, "Oh, I'm already old." It's you are old, that old as you feeling actually. And for me it's like, Did you already give up? You're still young. You have a lot of opportunities, way more opportunities and chances than someone else, but you calling yourself old. So don't do it, please. Once again, thank you very much for all the congratulations. I really, really appreciate, and see you on the next one. Bye.